2013 Ford Escape. It's got an inoperative passenger side windshield wiper. The driver's side wiper works, but it parks in the field goal position. We're going to change out the passenger side wiper motor. Yes, there's two wiper motors on these. Okay, to access the wiper motor, or if you're changing the battery lives underneath this guy right here. You got to remove the wiper cowl. To remove the wiper cowl, we got to pull the wipers off. There's little plastic clips right here. Just pull those up. It's a 15mm nut that retains each one of the wiper arms to the wiper cowl. After you take the nut off, if you push down right here and pull up right here, you'll be able to get it loose. Okay, now there's little metal retainers all the way along this. Pry those off with a small flat blade screwdriver. After all these retainer clips are removed, this is just held in with a bunch of like a push snap, so you can just give it a quick firm pull and it'll pop out of there. So here's the passenger side wiper motor. It's held in by two bolts. These are 8mm on the head, and then it pushes into a rubber bushing in the back, and there's an electrical connector down at the bottom. We're going to pull these two fasteners out first, and then we'll get the wire unplugged, and it should come right out of there. Not a lot of room to get your hand in here to squeeze this this connector, but if you take a small pocket screwdriver, makes it unplugging it a breeze. There you go. Now the new one comes with a rubber bushing on the end, and that's up inside the firewall here. I'll give you a shot of that in a second. Here's the new versus old comparison. Make sure they're the same. They are. This came right from Ford Motor Company. Okay, looking down up in there, right there is that rubber bushing I was telling you about. We'll just take this one right out. It came with a new one. And then here's that electrical connector. And what I was pushing on with the screwdriver is that little tab right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, let's put it together. Whoa! Losing my light here. What's going on? Okay, before we put it back together, we always want to verify proper operation. This wasn't working at all before. The other side was working, but it would stop in the vertical position. So I'm going to cycle the wiper switch. Okay, it's working. Before I put this back in here off camera, I blew these out. I don't know if you saw how blocked each one of these were. They were completely blocked. I blew those out as well. And then these just push back on. Now, before we put the windshield wipers back on, we want to center the wiper motors one more time. So I'm going to turn them on, turn them off, and then we'll put the wipers on. So that was it. That's all there is to it. This applies to a 2013 and up Ford Escape wiper motor replacement. You saw me do it. You can do it too. Thanks for watching.